Okay, so the first thing you notice about this property is it's on a corner lot. This is right on Ash Street, right across from Soto Park. Today is being brought to you by Isaacson Realty, courtesy of them. And we've got, like I said, a good corner lot here. Stucco exterior. And it looks like we've got plenty of yard space. This is, again, over a 7,000 square foot lot. 7855 to be correct. And a lot of that is because it's on the corner. But check this out. It's got this, we'll go through there in a moment, but this is a patio that comes off the master or primary bedroom. Soto Park there. No neighbors on this side, which makes it really nice. Got some neighbors across the street. Now, one thing I do want to point out is Jasmine here is the community, and many of these homes are attached. So this is a rare unit that is not attached, and is even more awesome because it is a single story. So check that out. Now, we do see a single car garage here. It appears to be single, but it's actually a tandem, so it goes too deep. You can park cars behind each other. But again, notice this detached home in a community where everything is attached. So this makes it pretty awesome. So this is just a short distance from the beach. Right across is a dog park as well. Just a really nice community. I love the little side yard. You could definitely do something here. Maybe put in some landscaping, even some of the new artificial turf that's out. This is probably only about 5 minutes from the ocean here. So Soto Park is a sports complex, so you'll get a lot of games going on here. If you like to be out and about, this is the spot. If you like to jog or walk, definitely a nice community for that. Let's take another look at the front of it for you, and then we'll go inside. Really nice layout here. Let's go on in. The first thing you notice in here is it's got the nice high vaulted ceilings. Really nice, beautiful views of the park across the street. You've got all that there. And the home itself is 1,370 square feet. And again, the beautiful thing about this is it's all one single story. So really, really nice. No stairs, nobody attached to you. You got your nice formal living room there. One of the bedrooms there. Or an office. You got your kitchen with a breakfast bar, your dining area. This is really just perfect for entertaining. So this was built in 2005. And let's go into one of the bedrooms here. But you've got your double pane windows. This could be an office, could be a bedroom. You've got your closet here with all the built-ins, which is really nice. Got your built-ins there, take a nice good look at those. And again, really high ceilings that just give it a nice big open feel to the place. Let's close this door here. You see once you're inside and you close the door, really not much noise from the street out front. But again, high ceilings. View of the park across. So you will trade a little bit of the noise for no neighbors, which is awesome. And no one attached to you again. So here's your breakfast bar. Kitchen, again, like I said, it was built in 2005. So to some people's standards, this kitchen may not be updated, but you know, you could do a few things to it that would make it really nice. Get a shot from here for you. Check that out. Recessed lighting, just super nice. Some nice tile there. Everything's in great condition here. These counters are nice. These are appliances. These are Whirlpool stainless steel. Whirlpool gold, I might add. This looks like upgraded appliances. So that's nice. I like these little dormer windows here, these little small side windows that you can, you know, open up, get some air through if you're cooking here above the stove, or just gives you some nice light into the kitchen that you normally would not have if that was just all sealed up. Go around this way. One more pass here. So it's a nice big stove. It's actually a 5-burner range, it looks like, now that I look back at that. Yep, it's a 5-burner. Look at that, that's nice. Double sink. So if you like to entertain, this makes it really nice for easy cleanup. Let me show you this pantry too. This is really nice. Check this out. Nice pantry there for all your Costco storage. Again, it too goes all the way up. Get your recessed lighting there. Just love the kitchen, just a lot of extra storage and cabinetry. And again, it's just got those beautiful high ceilings, just makes it really, really nice. And then we've got our bathroom, check this out. So the bathroom also has the tile, really nice counters, good condition. Everything's just great condition here. Got your, wanted to point this out too, natural light. Got your skylight here. Give you plenty of natural lighting. I don't have the exhaust fan on, but it does work. Give you the ventilation in here. And this is the other bedroom adjacent to that. So this is bedroom number 2. The other one was by the living room, remember, with the built-ins. But check this out again. Really nice high ceilings. Actually, it has its own little walk-in closet. I mean, each room is just set up so nicely. And this looks out to the side yard where we were at. And then the primary bedroom will be on the other side here. Yeah, so there you go. You got this one here. Let's go down the hall. We have our coat closet here. And so these high ceilings carry out throughout the entire home. So they go all the way through to the back. And another nice thing like I just can't get over is this is all a single story home. You know, to get this type of price point, location, and features, you'd be looking at a 2-story townhome. So really, really nice setup. Your laundry area also with the high ceiling, lighting. I believe those are negotiable if you're interested in those. But look at this. This is the primary bedroom. Beautiful high ceilings also. Just a great little entrance off to the side there to your side yard. You can definitely set that up with a little table and chairs. Just kind of sit out here and relax, read a book. You know, set up your little courtyard area. Got your outlet here, that's nice. Just take a quick peek. Isn't that nice? You got your whole side yard here. So we'll put all the details in the link below. Or just go ahead and message us, call us. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you like this content or want some other homes toured. Again, everything's really nice in this home. The carpets have just been cleaned. And this is your primary. Get you a shot of that. Again, high ceilings all the way through. And another skylight. This is nice. So you've got plenty of natural light in this home. Go back up and show you this light here. This is nice. It's a walk-in shower. So the tub was in the hall bath. This walk-in shower is nice. Those are real popular these days. Handrails are already set up in case someone needs that. And look at this walk-in closet. It's huge. Just love it. There's all your connections, systems for the house are there, as you would expect. So all in all, you know, just a really, really cute setup here for you. Let me just give you one more look at that. Maybe we'll go from this angle. A lot of great features in this home. So that's the tour of the bedrooms. Let's go out this way and we'll show you the garage. Now during the open house, this won't be accessible. The owners would prefer not to have us come through here, but we do have permission to at least get you a video of it so you can take a look. So let's take a good thorough look for you. Of course, for a private showing, we can do the same. Again, really nice high ceilings. Now to me, this would be something you could take advantage of by having extra storage up on top, those rafter systems that Costco sells that are really nice. And again, like I said, it's a tandem garage. So single car garage, but look at this natural light you get in through those windows. That's really nice. Let's get over here to your water heater alcove. Water heater's up off the ground. It's plumbed for water softening system and possibly even a filtration system. So there you go. That's all strapped and braced, ready to go. Go ahead and take a peek on through this way. Give you a shot in this direction, but you can see how deep this goes. So you can easily get car number 1 to this point here. Car number 2 could easily take up this spot and that spot. What I love about tandem garages is if you have the need for just one parking space, you've got 2 here, but if you wanted to have a workshop here, they had some benches here. You can see this was probably used as another area. But you could do that. You could have one space for a workshop or a workout area or a craft area. And then you could also have your car park on that side as well. But look how deep this is. Perfectly set up as a 2-car garage. So very nice setup there for you. So all in all, just a beautiful little house. Designed very nicely. Again, one single level. That makes it so nice. Get one more shot of this kitchen here. Love this little breakfast bar here. It's a really nice setup. I'll take one more pass here. Give you a look there. Again, one more look this way. It's very bright, cheerful, open areas here. Obviously, pictures and cameras can never do a place justice. You always got to come check them out. So if you want to come see this, give us a call. Our information's in the link below. This is really just a great place to come check out if you are in the market or in the area. So there you go. So any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for coming by today. So appreciate you guys. Just wanted to tell you that. But always appreciate your support on this channel. So like I said, you got the Soto Park behind you. Really nice little park area here. Corner lot. I just love that there's no one behind you or attached to you. We get some privacy there. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll catch you guys later. Take care.